How to unlock Galaxy S24's studio effects, apply cool styles to photos. First, let's go back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, open up the Gallery app. Next, open up the picture that you would like to apply the style. Then tap on the Edit button. Next, we go down and tap on the Tools button down here. After that, swipe across and then tap on Style. In here, swipe across and select the different style that you would like to use. So in here we've got color pencil, comic, watercolor, blue ink, pastel, marker, line art, oil paint, cubist, and pen and wash. At the bottom here, you can also drag on the slider bar to apply the strength of the style. So if you want to really increase the style, you can drag it all the way to the right. That will apply a 100% strength effect. And that's it. After that, tap on Done, and then tap on Save, and then choose Save as a copy or saved. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.